Okay, today's a nice Sunday afternoon. Sunday, actually, well, I guess it's no morning. It's Mother's Day today. I should just drop my socket. We're just, Corey's just put the exhaust on. I think he's just getting ready to put the tranny mount in because there's the old tranny mount that the original one even has the black and gold numbers on it. So new tranny mount's going in. I'm just hooking just the fuel lines up to the carburetor. And yeah, hopefully I think the plan is to take it running today, isn't it? And take it for a test drive?
That's hopefully the plan.
I think that's the plan.
I think so.
I think it'll happen today. The motor will run. Are we going to put a gun on it just to check the timing again? Or?
Probably we'll achieve that.
And then just a few little odds and sods to hook up.
Yeah, shifter's all in. Cross member had to come back out, put the shifter in. Drive shaft's got to be put in. That'll take a few minutes. We would have done it sooner, but Boog had to do something.
Yeah, I had to fix on Drew's bike. One of Casey's young friends here. I guess I don't want to know what they were doing. They were dicking around and brought the handlebar in two pieces. I should have maybe did a little bit nicer weld, but whatever, it'll hold. It'll probably get broken again. So that's Lord knows what they were doing. Probably did a jump or something and wiped out and broke the handlebar. So
Teenagers.
that's exactly it. So we ended up reflaring it.
Menace to society.
Yeah.
Hooligans.
Put a spigot on both sides and welded it and burned it in. So took it for a boot around the block and lifted the front a few times. It didn't break, so it should be okay. But yeah, so this thing hopefully will be moving today under its own power. Or blowing up, one of the two.
Chris just showed up.
Yeah. Did you bring us a drink, Chris?
Cool.
I bought cherry Coke yesterday. They got it back again.
Cherry Coke.
Safeway had it. You don't know the price on a 12 pack though. $7. Don't shop at Safeway, people. It's very expensive.
So yeah, well, I guess we'll get back to work. Probably won't film a lot of it. It's just putting
A lot of this tedious junk.
Yeah, it's putting shit back together. So
It's cold today though.
I know wind's not very nice.
I don't think it's 40 degrees right now.
Hopefully we're cruising tonight.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we're going cruising. All right, we're back in a bit. Okay, it's been, we just had lunch, Mother's Day lunch and all that good jazz. Just working with wiring underneath. Chris just did the power steering, so I guess we're gonna put the rad in. We'll go grab that in a minute and he can start monkeying around with that. I'm gonna finish up with the starter. The guys went to go grab an alternator. I seem to have misplaced it.
There's all the little vacuum lines. We're gonna figure out where to go.
Yeah. A gentleman in town was nice enough to drop this by for me, so it's very nice. Honestly, I can't remember his name. He's just a local guy in town here, but he knows I got a Pontiac. This one's a Laurentian, but it was pretty nice of him, so I'm gonna see about getting that framed. So that's pretty nice of him. And I needed tires for this thing, and like the tires that are on it are pretty rough and they're original and dry rotted. So a local ad on Facebook had these guys. I know they're not the exact rims, they're not even close to being the exact rims, but they will work for this, and the rubber is really nice and everything else, so it is a pretty good buy. So put that on later on today.
That way we can keep the original tires on the original rims.
Exactly.
And
I'll put them in storage. It's just like I would like to buy the tires, the proper ones for them are about $3 something, and then by the time you pay shipping and duty and exchange, it's like
that was
so
each.
Yeah, so these will be they'll be all right for right now. I'm not gonna sure if I'm gonna run these the dog dish hover or whatever you want to call those little center caps or whatever, but we'll see. We'll put those on later on today.
Leave them plain.
Hey,
leave them off.
I think so. Look too, yeah, I think they'll look better like that. Like I said, at least they're not worried about a tire blowing up.
Looks too Corvette-ish.
Yeah, true. This is going in next weekend. So it's basically all ready to go. That's going to be a nightmare. I'm going to need Brent from Half-Ass here. He can put it back into his car.
Do his X car.
Well, his X car, yes. Yeah. So yeah, we'll get back to it. Oh, I guess we might as well grab the walk with me. We'll grab the rad, the drive shaft.
Yeah, the land that time forgot over here.
Oh no.
Extra doors.
Yeah. Oh. There's the rad.
Okay. Transmission.
Yeah. Ford Mustang. This is the drive shaft. That there be the drive shaft, and there be the radiator. Good thing we got new rad hoses.
Got a rad cap?
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, it's under my bench.
Okay.
And yeah, this year I should actually maybe drive my coupe.
Yes.
Just sits and sits. Maybe this year. Probably. Drew never even took his bike yet. Sitting there. Alrighty. Guess we should be back in a few minutes, hopefully, with an update. Oh, fuel lines are in too.
Fuel lines, yeah.
I'm tired.
Gotta put, Derek still gotta put the oil pressure. We're gonna put a little oil, mechanical oil pressure gauge in it, because this just has an idiot light, so.
And I'm an idiot. Feel free to use that one. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, we buttoned everything up. Coolant's in, new rad hoses are in. And yeah, everything's pretty much good to go. Drive shaft's in, so I think we're gonna try starting it soon. I'm gonna put these tires in. Like I said, they're not the correct tires by any means for this car, but they hold air, they're round, and they look all right, so should be all right. Won't have to worry about them blowing up. So yeah, I guess we'll be back in a minute. Everything went pretty good. Couldn't find the alternator, so I went to go see my buddy Donnie there, and he lent me an alternator for now. And I'll go buy one, I guess, next week or whatever. Yeah. What are you looking at?
Got up tires.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Yeah, I got rid of those ugly center cap thingies.
Must be nice just sit in a lawn chair all day.
All day?
Lounging. Guy that invented the impact gun. Nobel Prize. Like I said, these original rims I'll go put in storage. That way they'll always be with the car.
And maybe one day we'll get proper tires.
Yeah. Maybe one day. When I win the lottery. Won't be today.
No.
Won't be tomorrow. But later that day, I got new tires. Boom, boom. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. See what this thing looks like on the ground. Or not. Good enough. We'll tighten them up and put them on the ground. Okay, for safety's sakes, because it just had an idiot oil light, and I didn't think that was good, so I had Derek put a copper lined oil pressure gauge, so I'll just mount it somewhere underneath here, because I'd rather be safe than sorry. And if anybody out there has a Hurst T-grip with velvet that's way better shape, let me know. They're hard to find. Velvet. Ugh. But anyway, I'd like to find a decent one. Clutch feels good and everything like that. And like I said, maybe this week when I get a chance, I'll start cleaning up the interior and whatnot. Give it a once over, but yeah. Coming to an end. Like I said, then I've got here already new shocks and coil springs for the rear, so I'll put those in. I doubt I'll get a chance to do that this week, but that'll be in an upcoming video. But I said later on we'll try to get this thing running. See you in a bit. I've got some more things. got it dialed in, but it's Mother's Day, and unfortunately we got to go have dinner with my mom, so that's that. We're gonna call it a night. During this week I'll dial it in, I'll get it up and running and everything, but it does run. You guys seen it run a bunch of other times, so but it does run, and like I said, this week I'll get back to it. Tomorrow night I gotta go to the Dynamic, and Tuesday I think I gotta go to the Dynamic, so probably Wednesday or Thursday get back at it. But there will be a video of us driving around town and whatnot. And but we put the wheels on. They look kind of neat. At least like I said, they're better than what we had on there. They roll. They're not flat. They're not cracked. They're not 60 years old. So yeah. Anyway, like I said, we were hoping to, in this video to go for a drive and everything like that, but like it's Mother's Day, so we gotta go for dinner. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, and I promise the next video we will be running and driving. So have a good one, stay safe, we'll see you on the next one.